Hello everyone, greetings from team ELECTROSAL. Today we are going to present you project model number 715 titled Solar Powered Intelligent Agriculture System. Now let us look at the hardware, and the hardware part includes this system is powered using a solar panel which charges rechargeable battery, providing clean and renewable energy for the entire setup. At the center of the system we have ESP32 microcontroller. This is the brain of the project. It controls sensing, decision making and IoT communication. We have used soil moisture sensor to measure the water content in the soil and determine whether the irrigation is required. A rain sensor is also provided to detect rainfall conditions so that watering can be avoided. We have connected a water pump which controlled through a relay module. The relay acts as a switching device between ESP32 and the pump. We have also added LCD display which shows real-time soil moisture level, rain status and pump condition. For IoT monitoring, the ESP32 is connected to the Blink application which allows remote monitoring and control. This completes the hardware section. Working part includes the project is when sunlight falls on the solar panel, the battery gets charged and the supply power to the entire system. This soil sensor and rain sensor continuously reads their respected values, and the values are displayed on the LCD display, as well as the motor state is also displayed on the LCD panel. These readings are also sent to the Blink app, and through the Blink app we can also turn on and off the motor state like this.